Hi, salam. I am Humar. I am Azerbaijani language teacher and native speaker. Today we are going to learn colors. So let's get started. First color, it is black. In Azerbaijani we say gara. Gara. White, ağ. Ağ. Red, kırmızı. Kırmızı. Green, yaşıl. 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 Yellow, sarı. Sarı. Blue, göy. Göy. For the light blue, we say mavi. 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 Orange, narıncı. 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 Brown, qəhvəyi. 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 Grey, boz. Boz. Grey, boz. Silver, gümüşü. 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 Golden, qızılı. 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 Pink, çəhrayı. 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 Purple, bənövşəyi. 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 If you want to say light red, for example, light for the colors, açıq. Light red, açıq, qırmızı. Açıq, qırmızı. Or for example, light yellow, açıq, sarı. Açıq, sarı. Light blue, so we have word, it's mavi, mavi. Some people say açıq, göy. Açıq, göy. Okay? Dark, it means tünd. For example, dark red. Tünd, qırmızı. Dark purple. Tünd, bənövşəyi. For example, dark green. Tünd, yaşıl. Tünd, yaşıl. So let's repeat. Ağ, ağ. Qara, qara. Qırmızı, qırmızı. Yaşıl, yaşıl. Sarı, sarı. Narıncı, narıncı. Boz, boz. Çəhrayı, çəhrayı. Bənövşəyi, bənövşəyi. Qəhvəyi, qəhvəyi. Gümüşü, gümüşü. Qızılı, qızılı. Göy, göy. Tünd, tünd. Açıq, açıq. Açıq, qırmızı. Açıq, yaşıl. Açıq, sarı. Tünd, qırmızı. Tünd, sarı. Tünd, yaşıl. If you're interested in more taking your classes to the next level, just feel free to check the first link in the description to join our private lesson. Görüşerik. See you soon.
Salam everyone, welcome back to Learn Azerbaijan today. In today's episode, I will talk about meanings of colors and their significance in Azerbaijani culture. But before we get started, I want to mention our one-on-one Azerbaijan lessons. If you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in the description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Let's get started. Ağ, ağ, ağ. It means white. White represents purity and peace. Qara, qara, qara. Qara is black, and black symbolizes sorrow and loss and seriousness. Kırmızı, 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 kırmızı. It means red. Red symbolizes strength, love, and energy. Yaşıl, yaşıl, yaşıl. It means green. Green represents nature, life, and renewal. Göy, 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 or mavi, mavi, mavi is blue. Blue is the color of the sky and symbolizes freedom, loyalty, and trust. Sarı, sarı, sarı is yellow. Yellow represents joy and energy and positivity, but it can also symbolize jealous and betrayal in some contexts. Narıncı, narıncı, narıncı. It means orange. Orange combines the energy of red and happiness of yellow. Benövşəyi, benövşəyi, benövşəyi. It means purple. Purple is a color of luxury, power, and ambition. Qəhvəyi, qəhvəyi, qəhvəyi is brown. Brown symbolizes stability and earthiness. Çəhrayı, çəhrayı, çəhrayı. It means pink. Pink represents love, compassion, and tenderness. Boz, boz, boz. It means gray. Gray symbolizes balance and sophistication. Qızılı, qızılı, qızılı. It means gold. Gold represents wealth and success, also prestige. Gümüşü, gümüşü, gümüşü. It means silver and symbolizes elegance and femininity. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed our video. And if you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more useful learning tips. Sağ olun and görüşene dek.